Hey bestie, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do my everyday makeup look. I do have certain looks that are more like no makeup look, but this is more like a little more in depth,
a little more steps, a little extra.
but it's not the full makeup look, you know what I mean? All right, let's get right into it. First, we're going to start off with primer. This is a Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder in Universal, or it's natural finish, I believe. I just put that where my pores are shown the most, which is like my cheeks. And then I put some on my nose, forehead, and chin, and then just blend that out. Let that sit for a little bit. Then I go in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm sorry my mirror's so low, but listen, I'll do better. I just bought a high mirror, so you won't be seeing my forehead when I do my eyebrows. Anyways, this is a really raw footage of like my eyebrows and what I do. I get this flathead brush, get the House of Labs concealer, and then just carve out and clean my brows with it. Not all the time you're gonna have your eyebrows done, right? So it's just like, this is the real deal. This is just me cleaning my eyebrows and just making the best of it, because there's some days where you want to put some makeup on, you know, and your face is not done. You haven't dermaplaning your face. But anyways, I go in with this Fenty Beauty concealer brush and just blend it out. I do wash my brushes, so don't come for me. I wash them every 3 times I use it. Okay? Anyways, look at my brows. You see, they look decent, not bad. Now I'm going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Aruba. This is way lighter than my hands, but guess what? Throughout the years, I have 4 to 5 different shades, and I have a lot of foundations, so I work with what I got. Okay, moving on. So I have these hyperpigmentations around the corner of the mouth and like some acne scars, which I would cover it with the Tarte Shape Tape Color Corrector in peach. But for everyday makeup, I'm not doing that. I usually do that when I go out. Anyways, I'm going to go in with the Sephora Pro Foundation brush number 70 to blend out my foundation. So I like to start with putting the foundation on in the middle of my face and then blending it outward. I like to do like a dabbing / sweeping method. I don't like to swirl it or anything like that because this is kind of like a thicker brush. It's a dense brush. And then like, remember the primer is silicone base and then my foundation is water based. So I wouldn't want to move it around. Moving on to concealer. I use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer to highlight under my eyes. I believe this is in the shade Medium Sand. And I use this to just brighten, give that like awake. I'm up. I just drank my coffee. Let's go. I let that set for a little bit, like maybe like 30 seconds. And then I blend it in with the Sephora Pro Foundation brush in the number 47. I love using this brush to blend. If you can take one piece of information from this video, is to blend. Blend, blend, blend. It's gonna take some time, but your makeup is gonna look flawless. Okay, look at that facelift. Oh, love it, love it. Then I go back in with the foundation brush and blend the concealer into the foundation. We're gonna blend any harsh lines and just make it look even more seamless. Look at that. Beautiful, love, beautiful. It's giving ghost, but we're gonna set it and then put some color on. To set my under eye and my eyelid, we're gonna go in with the Pat McGrath Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder in yellow. I just set that there. So I'm a little extra. I put Fenty Beauty under my eyes to set it, to make it look more brighter. Now with this one size loose powder packaging, I put the Fenty Beauty onto the cap of the one size. I love this packaging from one size because I can open it and close it and take as much product as I want, and it's not going to be everywhere. As opposed to the other setting powders where it's just like once you open it, there's like powder everywhere. So like with the Fenty Beauty, I use the shade Banana, and it really is great for brightening. You're going to see why. I love to use this under the eye. I don't bake as long. I just put it for a little bit and then I brush it off with the Pat McGrath blurring powder. And then for all over the face, I like to use the one size translucent powder. But for some reason, I use a Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I noticed that it gave me kind of like a gray cast. And I did not like that at all, so I won't be using that anymore.
¿Para qué es la vida? Para vivirla. ¿Y con qué vivimos? Con el chisme. Ay, no, ¿qué habrá pasado?
Not me being a chismosa. I heard that and I was like, yo, somebody call an ambulance here? Anyways, time to contour. This is a Sephora Pro Highlight Brush in number 87. So I'm going to go in with the Well People bronzing powder in the shade Golden Hour to contour my face. I like to put it directly like on my cheekbones to make them nice and chiseled. And then I put like the rest of whatever's on the brush on my jawline. So then I'm going to move on with this Patrick Ta nose brush and go in with the same contour I use on my cheeks. Then I use the Morphe M572 brush to blend that out, then clean it up with the Fenty Beauty setting powder. I did it again, I'm sorry. I'll do better next time, I promise. So now I'm just gonna brush it all out. And yeah, looking good so far. You wonder why I had to do this voiceover? Now I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Bakery. This is their brownie bar, and I use the Coral blush and using the Sephora Pro Blush Brush number 96 to pack that on. I like to put this on my cheeks and then put it a little bit on the sides of my forehead, and then take the remaining product that's on the brush, put it on my nose, chin, and a little on my forehead. Then I set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury, is my favorite, the airbrush setting spray, and I douse my face with it. This makes my face just, everything sets and it just looks so scrumdiddlyumptious. So I use this fan that my mom got me from Cuba to dry it out, and look at it. Look how beautiful. Then I go in with the Cali Ray mascara. I like to apply this one first. This doesn't like clump my eyelashes or anything like that. I like to go in with this and then the Too Faced Jam Girl mascara. Put those two bad boys together because they're the dream team, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I have naturally curly lashes. I don't really have to do much to them. But look how, like, it looks so cute. I love it. Oh my god, you're so pretty, girl. So finishing this look with some lip gloss. I got this Super Beauty lip gloss from like an Asian market. I'll try to link it below. I was trying to smell it. I thought I smelled something. Remember this episode? So yeah, just me feeling myself. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my girls' night out makeup look. I'm so excited for that one. So excited. You're gonna see a different side of Genesis Lee. Ooh. Ooh. See you in my next one. Bye.